Alright guys, right here on the, not far off the beach, and we found some shrimp boats, which is really cool. I've really been wanting to fish behind them. I don't get to do it a whole lot. It's a great opportunity to learn and, you know, catch some sharks. You get some
baby sharks.
You catch some baby sharks, you catch some mommy sharks, you catch some daddy sharks. All sorts of sharks. It's pretty cool. You just go up to the back of the shrimp boat, especially when they're dumping their bycatch. Don't get too close, give them some space, but get up to them and then just toss them. I mean, you see the sharks like feeding in the water, so it's really cool. It's kind of like a sight fishing. Probably be fun to try fly fishing or something, but we'll stick to spinners.
You ain't got nothing else to do all day on one hand, because you're going to be there a while.
We'll bring a big fly rod. See him right there? You see him feeding the sharks? Or whatever? I think something's thrashing. A couple, oh yeah, several right there. Ready? Yeah. Probably you could throw it straight ahead and it'll, oh there's one down there, straight down. Shark, you got it? Which one? There we go. I think, yeah. Just when you thought it was safe to go back in the water. So what we were doing, guys, is we came inshore, see there's some kings and also the shrimp boats. There's a shrimp boat right over there. We're about to go up to it, see if we can catch some sharks and some other fish. And we're kind of in this trail now, and I guess there's a shark. The leader. Yeah. There we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you got it. A little bit better with this bigger hook. Oh, there it goes. Oh. I'm starting to get color. Oh yeah, there's the leader. That was the leader. These sharks are powerful fish. They definitely bite really good. Right behind these shrimp boats.
About another 4 footer or a little better.
There we go. Uh-oh, yeah, it's hooked up. Today, the rig I'm using for sharks is a 7/0 circle hook tied to 60-pound 7-strand wire. I like the 7-strand. I feel like it doesn't kink and break. But you could use single strand wire, 60, 70, depending on how big, you can use 90. Bigger wire if you think you're going to be catching bigger sharks or just want that added security.
Big, nice one.
Well, blacktip. See those blacktip guys? That's how they got the name, Blacktip Sharks. Woo! Getting me wet. Getting the camera wet. Yeah, it's soaked. One issue we had today was I didn't have my net that we typically have. Also, I didn't have gloves on. So we got this shark up to the boat and I was just gonna try to kind of leader him and pull him in through the fish door. But he was kicking around a whole lot. And when I tried to grab the leader, he was putting a lot of pressure on it. It was actually starting to cut into my hand. So it's a good reason to always have gloves on the boat. I'll remember that next time. Unfortunately, when I tried to pull him in, he broke off right there. Well, it's a safe release for the shark, and you know, we can go out and try to get us another one, or maybe even a bigger one. Ah!
Oh well, that was fun.
It's okay. Safely released. It's pretty fun fishing to do. You don't have to go real far offshore usually. Obviously, you just gotta see shrimp boats, which can be easier to see than shrimp. So you don't have to be right up on them. I mean, you can get and just drift your way back. And it's a lot of fun. Great way to test tackle and catch all sorts of fish. There you go. Oh, look at him around. Oh, look, there's a... Wait, Dad. Dad, there's a cobia right here. Or no, maybe it's a shark, I can't. Might be a shark.
Yeah, it's blacktip.
It is a blacktip though. Oh, there you go. Come on, come on, come on. That's the cool thing about being around here is the sight fishing, the fish coming right up. You get them? Whoa. Spinners jump too, which is pretty cool. Dang it, I hooked him by the pectoral fin. That's all I got him with. Literally, see that? Kind of surprised the hook's still in him. See, it's right in that fin. Yeah, got it. There we go. Oh, there's one. See that? Yeah. Yeah. I couldn't tell. Oh, there you go. He's still going. Might need to. $90 degrees, right? A little slower on your chase. It's important to keep them tight when you're chasing them, so you don't want to go too fast. He's a big bonita if he is. Maybe a jack crevalle? Oh wait, I think I see him. Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Yeah, there he is. Look at that. Look at that tip come out of the water. He does not want to get close. Oh, there's one right next to him. Yeah, another blacktip right next to him. Yeah. Oh, not in the back. Watch out. Like, there you go. Yep. Hang on, there you go. Oh, ouch. Well, there you have it. That was our first time fishing for sharks behind shrimp boats. It was pretty cool. A lot easier than I thought it would be in some respects. I wasn't sure how close I would have to get to the shrimp boats, and it turns out you don't have to get that close at all. It seemed like even 100 yards back, you would see sharks hitting and swimming by you, free swimming, and you could cast them out there. So you can give those shrimpers plenty of space and still catch plenty of fish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.